Why 3D print from two directions at the same time? I'm Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at the Formnext show in Frankfurt, Germany. Duplex, a German startup company, is pioneering this technology. FDM or FFF style printing from both the top and the bottom at the same time. Support structures is the reason to 3D print this way. Forms that would otherwise need supports because of the overhang of the feature, printing from the bottom eliminates that need because the nozzle itself, the extruder itself, is supporting the build as it's printing. A couple of things that Duplex had to validate in order to realize this idea. Material properties. Are they the same at the juncture where the two opposing extruders meet? They are. And also, is it possible to maintain the precision of the object at both extremes, the vertical extremes in both directions, at both ends? This part that's being 3D printed, a real prototype part for a sporting goods manufacturer, prototyping a new kayak paddle design. This very 3D printed part will withstand the strength, the performance needed for competitive kayakers.